Alright guys, we are now close to the Twin Tower. So let me give you guys a video of the view of the streets. Yeah. You can see the shadow of the Twin Tower in this building, which is a very, very unique. And here too is a hotel. Here too is a hotel. And here is a Twin Tower. You can see it very, very, very clearly. Yeah. One thing I'm shocked is that now when I go to the Twin Tower, you see other people, because the place, there are people that use iPhone, not camera, take people photo, and you will pay 10 Malaysian currency for each photo. So I feel like it's expensive, but as a tourist, you need to ignore all these things here. Wow. This is a bicycle where you can scan and you can walk, and after you finish walking, you will pay. So I wanted to try this bicycle, but I don't have the application. I feel like it will be like a stressful. You can see it in here. It will be more stressful, identification, verification, and all these things here. So you can see this is the Twin Tower. Yeah, it's very, very, very beautiful here. Here are people, tourists, taking video. You can see them. They are taking video and the photos. So you will stay at like that place. Then you will pay them for them to take your photo. Yeah, you can see what I'm taking you guys about. They are cars, but the interior is different. So from here, this is the best place you can see the view. Here is the view of the Twin Tower. You can always be hearing car, bicycles sound. Yeah. You can listen here. People in bike here. I feel like Malaysian people, they like all these kind of things here. So now let's see who will tell me to come and take photo. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you can see. They use their phone. The phone has a. Yeah, you can see people from anywhere. They are just taking videos and photos, and all these photos are paid there. You can see how unique it is. This area. You're taking up videos. So I just want to find someone that is very good. Take me video. And the videos look very cute there. You can see. The videos look very cute. Yeah. I want to take photo. When you finish here. Yeah. So we're gonna bargain after he finished taking the photo. Let's see how much you want to take me photo here. But there's always a discount. You can see up there are people taking photo there, but I feel like here is one of the best place to take photo there. So let's try here and see the view. So guys, I will catch you guys up when I finish taking the photos. I'll put the photos in this video so you can see how accurate it is here. So I just finished taking photo. When I take the photo, he told me I should pay 40 Malaysian currency each photo. Yeah. So I told him I came here in the morning, I paid 10. So no any argue, just okay, no problem. Bring 40 Malaysian currency. But last we bargained at 25 currency. Yeah, he took me many photos, but I just choose 4. So yeah, anyhow, now you can see KCC. This is a building, but now there is not any light. So how it is, 11 p.m. in the night, this building, they off the lights. So we cannot take more photos again. So now we will be going in the street of Malaysia. Now I've already finished taking my photos. But even though they try to cheat, he told me each photo is a 40 Malaysian currency. But I told him in the morning I came here, I paid 10 Malaysian currency each. So without any argument, he told me I should bring a 40, because I only choose 4 photos here. I should bring a 40 Malaysian currency here. But at last I ended up paying 25 Malaysian currency. So now this is Twin Tower. The funny thing is that 11 p.m. night, all the lights in the Twin Towers will be off. So we cannot take photos anymore again here. So yeah, here we are at the streets of Kuala Lumpur. One thing I like about the city is that the cars, they are top notch. The bikes, sport cars anywhere. Now if I will stay in this road, I'm sure you guys will see a lot of sport cars and a lot of bikes roaming around here. So now we're gonna walk and see what we're gonna see here. But for me, I'm very, very happy I come to Malaysia. The vibes is very good. People are happy. You can see here is a bus station where people just stay, like wait for bus and just stay and chill here. You can call it a Surya Cave. This is here. These are drinks. People are happy. I think in Malaysia this is the best place I saw in shopping mall. Some like Apple store, Samsung store. Yeah. But I can see the high rate of tourists here in Malaysia is very, very, very high. There are a lot of tourists in Malaysia. There are a lot of tourists, and especially when you come to this street, you will meet a lot of people from different countries. Sometimes it's very hard to understand which one is the Chinese and which one is Malaysian people. Yeah. But I met a lot of Chinese today. When I see a lot, I mean many Chinese people there. So any country you see Chinese people are just going for tourists. You should know that the country has many things to offer. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Let me know your guys' suggestion. So I'm gonna catch you guys up on another vlog. I love you guys. Peace out.